Molweni, igama lam ndinguPinky wakwaNuma. I am the former coordinator of the ANC Women's League, RCT. Silapha eJuvet Park namhlanje. We are galvanizing voters to come up in their numbers via votela ANC Ward 59 as we are heading towards the by-election yethu on the 19th of March. We came out to speak to abahlali base inner city and the surrounding areas zase zone 12 ukuthi the ANC is still their only hope in terms of continuing the work that it has started in improving the lives of the people. We understand ukuthi abantu bathi ANC ayikafikeleli kwabanye sesibafikelele, sicela labo singekafikeleli kubona ukuthi bangadinwa bangakhathali iANC. Umsebenzi wethu esiwuqalile sizowuqedelela, sizofika nakubona siphuhlise impilo zabo. Ebekhona uchairperson wethu weANC eprovince owuyena naye noPremier uComrade Panyaza Lesufi wabatshela abahlali ukuthi yipi inhlelo ezizowulethwa ngukhongolose wabo abawuthandayo kuyo yona le ward kunye neGreater Johannesburg ngomhla ka-19, ngomhla ka-18 ama-special votes, ngomhla ka-19 umhla wokuvota. Siyacela abahlali abatsha ngobuningi babo, ukhansela wenu, ukhansela Sithe is a young person owaziwayo emphakathini, owusebenzelayo umphakathi. Siyacela ukuthi nimxhase.
Thank you, leader.